Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys my everyday routine. I'm just playing. I'm going to show you guys my lazy day routine because I've seen so many productive day routines. I have also posted productive day routines. But what about lazy days? What do productive people do on a lazy day? Not that I'm calling myself productive by any means, but I am sort of productive. Anyways, that's besides the point. Let me show you guys a day in my life on a lazy day. One of my favorite days, but also a day that makes me feel hella guilty. Okay, so drinking water is a part of my daily routine. Whether it's a productive day or a lazy day, I drink water first thing in the morning. But the difference is, on a productive day, I actually have my water ready at night in my water bottle. But on a lazy day, I drink my water from this big boy. Now, you guys probably saw me waking up in my previous clip, but that's not true because I snooze about 10 to 15 times until my alarm actually gives up on me and then I get up. Now, usually on a productive day, I get up on the first snooze. But on a lazy day, it takes me about 10 to 20 times. Like I said, until my alarm gives up on me. I hate when people give up on me, but I feel like I leave them no choice. So the next thing I do is stay in bed for the next 2 hours and scroll around on TikTok. I am not even kidding. TikTok is so addictive. I am addicted to TikTok and Pinterest. Like, what is Instagram? What is Twitter? What is Facebook? Okay, hold on. Who even uses Facebook? Like, I use Facebook to stalk my cousins and aunts, just see what they're up to, gossip around with my mom. But other than that, I never use Facebook. But let's talk about TikTok. People who are not on TikTok, by choice, okay? Y'all aren't cool. Because I know a lot of people who don't use TikTok because they think it's lame, but it's not. If you don't have TikTok by choice, bro, you are missing out on so many things. Like, TikTok could make me laugh all day, every day. Like, I swear to God, I would be crying about something. Like, I'm not even kidding. Snot coming out of my nose, my eyes are red, I'm full on crying. I could just open TikTok and I'd be laughing for the next 2 hours. TikTok is so addictive. Oh my goodness. Like, it is the first thing I do on a lazy day or whenever I feel bored. Like, I could literally be doing an assignment, like an essay for school. And when I get tired, I don't breathe. I hop on a TikTok and stay there and then I completely forget about my assignment. And then I drink water again. On a lazy day, I don't even eat, by the way. Like, I fill my body up with so much water to the point that I don't even feel hungry. The reason I don't eat on a lazy day is because I'm lazy. That's why I don't eat. I don't want to get up, go to the kitchen, make something for myself, take a picture and post it on Instagram. I don't have the energy for that. And since there's an easier option, why should I even do it? I could just stay in bed and sleep and be on TikTok. It doesn't matter how lazy I am, skincare comes first. I could be dying, fainting, or in a coma, I will still get up and do my skincare because my skincare routine is very important. I have been more excited about my skincare routine ever since I received this Purify and Glow Kit from Sand & Sky. Inside the kit comes a purifying face mask, enzyme powder polish, and dreamy glow drops, and my favorite hairband. First, I use the Imo Apple Enzyme Powder Polish. First, I pour a half a tablespoon of polish into my palm and add a few drops of water. Then I rub my hands together to create a foam. Then gently massage it onto my cleansed face and neck for about 15 seconds, avoiding the eye area, of course. I genuinely love this product ever since I started using it. It smoothened my skin instantly. Then I use this face mask. Now, there are a few pink clay masks out there, but Sand & Sky is the OG one of it. I apply an even layer of the pink clay face mask onto my freshly cleansed skin, then leave it for about 10 minutes until completely dry. Then I gently remove it with warm water and pat dry. I use this for about 1 to 2 times a week. And then I end my skincare routine with these dreamy glow drops. First, I shake the bottle to combine. Then I apply 4 drops to my clear skin and massage in circular motion. Then I follow it with a moisturizer or a sunscreen. I am in love with these products, and the fact that it's 100% vegan, cruelty-free and dermatology approved, I am in love with these. Sand & Sky's products are products that I am going to be using for a lifetime. Now, I have been using these products for a while now, and I can definitely tell that these products have done magic to my skin. It has completely smoothened and brightened out my skin. Moreover, it also tightened and shrunk my pores. If you are interested in buying any of these products, link will be in the description box below. And thank you Sand & Sky for sponsoring this video. Okay, so now that I'm done with my skincare routine, I'm actually gonna eat something because I'm really hungry right now. So I wait till the point of starvation to actually eat. My house is a living mess right now. But yeah, I don't really care because it's a lazy day and I don't feel like cleaning, so I'm not going to do any of that. So I'm just gonna eat something simple, and you already know what that is. Cereal! I got my cereal ready. Now, usually I would eat on my table, but what's more comfortable than your own bed? So then, while eating, I just watch Netflix and also be on my phone at the same time. Now, I don't get to watch Netflix all the time. On a lazy day, I watch a lot of Netflix. I'm always watching series, but I don't have a lot of lazy days. However, on a productive day, I only watch Netflix while I'm eating. Also, by the way, I'm a very slow eater. I take about 40 minutes to 1 hour to finish my meal. I think that's called a very extremely slow eater, but whatever. I watch Netflix. So yeah, I don't want to diss Netflix, but I feel like Netflix is losing its game. Like, they don't have a lot of interesting series, shows, movies, whatever. They have a lot of boring ones. Netflix really needs to upgrade because all of the movies or series that I want to watch is not on Netflix. So I have to go to some other site like 123 Movies. That's where I actually watch my movies or series that I can't find on Netflix. And I hate doing that because there's so many ads. If it's one ad, I understand. If it's two, I understand. But goddamn, there are like 10 ads every 5 minutes or every 10 minutes, and it's so freaking annoying. And then I move on to reading a book. Yeah, I read books. Okay, so the book that I'm currently reading is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. Oh my goodness, you guys, this book is amazing. I hate reading those physical books, so I just read ebooks because it's so much more easier and convenient for me. Like, I could just take this around, you know. It's easy. And you don't have to spend money on buying books. This book is so good. It honestly opens your mind to a whole new level. Like, you start to see things differently, you start to feel things differently. You guys should read this book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. Also, if you're interested in reading this book, I will link the PDF in my description box below. And then I continue to watch Netflix and eventually fall asleep, take a nap for about 2 hours. Now, I hate naps. Like, I genuinely hate naps because I cannot sleep at night when I take a nap. But I've noticed one thing. This only happens on productive days. If I'm having a productive day and I take a nap for about 10 to 15 minutes, I cannot sleep early at night. But on a lazy day, I could take about 10 naps and I'll still fall asleep. And then I get back on to being on TikTok and scrolling through TikTok for hours. Oh my god, you guys, I just saw the most cutest TikTok ever. Look at this.
Two best friends in a room. They might kiss.
That is so cute. I want a baby. I'm too young for that. Babies are expensive. I want to rent a baby. Water time. Oh, I messed up. Okay, so honestly, that's all I do on a lazy day. Basically, TikTok, drink water, eat 1 meal a day, Netflix and Pinterest, and those are the only things I do on a lazy day. And those things keep me sane. I feel like lazy days are so freaking important. You need to take a day off. But here's the thing, let me explain something, you guys. You know when you spend the day procrastinating, you feel really guilty, right? But if you take a day off just to be lazy, you won't feel guilty. And not just that, but taking days off is really important for your mental health. And I feel like a lot of people neglect their mental health. Please don't do that. Take care of yourself. So anyways, that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know how your lazy day goes. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button to get notified whenever I post. And once again, thank you Sand & Sky for sponsoring this video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!